So benefit of buying the Timberline 1300 and, well, any of the new D2 grills, but this just makes the most sense if you have a little child like myself. My daughter's coming up on 3 years old, and this is about the greatest thing in her life right here. Turns into a house. And it's very simple. Make sure the kids don't do it, because you will need a good knife and some packaging tape. And where I like to start before I cut the sides while it's still structurally a little stronger is this line right here. We'll be cutting the door open, but it drags, I've found, because I've made many of these now. And so I like to take just a little bit, gotta get started here. Just take a little bit off through the threshold of your house. Right about there is all you need. And that way the door can open and close properly. There's a little line here you want to cut above that right there. Don't cut yourself. That nice straight perfect line, I only could do that once in my life. And then there's another dotted line here. We'll be running that through. And never cut towards you, of course. Now there's a window, same dotted lines. Make sure your legs aren't sitting against the cardboard. All right, so now we got the window and we got the door. Then you find a corner without the, I do it with the one without the double in here. We'll go to the back of the house. There's also a window back here. So we'll grab this corner back here. Knife. Start at the bottom. Right down there. Flip it around. You open it up, and here's the roof. These two slots I leave alone. So these corner ones I actually cut at a 45-ish. Slice that off. Doesn't have to be perfect, beautiful. Just has to work. Try to use the wind to your advantage. Starter tape. That along the edge. And both sides. You really want a little extra on the corners here because kids can be a little rough. Now for the roof. And bend this in. With some tape. corners. Leave some retention. Now we have our back windows. We have our door set out already. And because we cut that edge down, it can open a lot easier when it drags around. Get in there. That makes a little child very, very happy. If you want it, come down and pick it up. It's all yours.